Hello coders, trust me, this project you will never seen on YouTube before this. So, without wasting any time, let's roll our intro.
Okay then, welcome again. First we have talk about Algo 6. Algo 6 is the set of 6 steps algorithm which was used in our project. In the given image, you have clearly seen that how API work. After all, I'm going to show you that how our project looks and how builds. Here you have clearly seen that all of this possible using Python. For each Algo 6 step is performing by declaring a function. This is our core function where response is collected.
Now it's time to check the result and functioning.
Here we have generating a demo CPP code for testing. Code is generated successfully. Now paste this CPP code into main.cpp file. Now we have running the program of main.py.
Program is running successfully worked and a main.java is created.
Here is your all Java converted code. Now I am talk about the API. The Gemini API is used in the project. Don't worry about the codes. Check description for the source code of this project.